You probably haven't used the words talent pipeline when referring to a program for 6, 7, and 8-year-olds, but those are necessary words to understanding the importance of building awareness in young persons of career fields that are or will be in high demand.
We're teaching students hard skills, soft skills, robotic skills, teamwork, fun, and just what's ready for them for the future.
The Robotics in Manufacturing Camp is in its 4th year of participating in existing summer camps to offer additional options for the campers and maybe spark an interest.
We sneak in a lot of little different things with them so that they can really get to know, all about coding, programming, robotics, how does it work in manufacturing, why is that important to them? Why is it important to us?
Camp Director Emily Butler says the robotics program is a great addition to the McAllister Summer Camp.
A lot of our camp is based on recreation and stuff, but we like to add an educational component to it. So when she reached out to us, it was a perfect fit. So we're really excited to be partnering with them and grateful for the opportunity to do so.
And the campers enjoy getting to dig into what makes their robots work.
I like engineering, and I feel like it's just like engineering.
8-year-old Jameson described the process of making his 3D printed name tag.
You send it to the printer, and then it prints it out, and then it just turns it into what you wanted.
As the week-long camp progresses, the campers learn more about what their robots can do and how they compare to robots built by the other campers.
By the end of the week, they'll be having a little robot war where they're going to put a robot they build on top of their Sphero and drive it around and see who can last the longest. So it's a lot of fun.
The Robotics in Manufacturing Camp moves to different locations throughout the summer. To find the schedule, visit the Lafayette Commerce website at greaterlafayettecommerce.com and click the Events tab. Dave North, Star City News, Lafayette. What are you making?
I didn't say my name. What's my name?
Huh?